Good morning, Cindy Garrett here from Leamington GM. So we're going to talk about the 7 signs when it's time for a new car battery. You start your engine in the morning, but it doesn't turn over quite as fast. Or you turn on the lights and they seem like they're dim. What could be the problem? Most likely it's your vehicle's battery. A new battery can last around 6 years. After that, it's only a matter of time before you need to replace it. Once your battery reaches 3 years old, you should have it checked regularly and prepare to get it replaced. But what are some of the signs? Number 1, slow start. If it takes your vehicle a longer time to start and get going, chances are that the battery might be at fault. There are other things that could be involved as well, but having the battery checked is a good starting place. Number 2, dim lights and electrical issues. Since the battery is what generates the charge in your vehicle, when it doesn't generate enough power, other elements will compensate. This might happen sooner if you routinely charge a lot of electric items in your vehicle. Number 3, check if your engine light is on. Your engine is connected to the battery. Sometimes the engine light will come on, but it'll be more to do with the battery. Number 4, a bad smell like rotten eggs. If you smell this and are not around anything that can be the source, have your engine checked immediately. It usually indicates that there is something very wrong. Number 5, corroded connections. In the engine, there are a lot of connectors between the engine and the battery. If these connectors are corroded, it usually means that there is something coming out of the battery. Corrosion will look like white ash and will mean that the voltage isn't very good. Number 6, misshapen battery case. The battery is held in a case to protect it. In extreme heat and cold, the battery will sometimes begin to expand or crack. If your battery case is anything but rectangle, get it checked right away. Number 7, old. This is the simplest. If your battery is pushing 4 years, it's time to replace it. Replacing the battery is an important step for vehicle health. To make certain that everything else is running correctly, bring your vehicle to Leamington GM if you have any concerns. We'll see you again very soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.